All right, everybody. I finished 2 of the 4 houses of my Barbie commune. So far, I've done a closet, I've done a bathroom, I've done a living room. Then we moved to where the fireplace is and a pool. I put a little TV in a fireplace. And then the second Barbie house has the Dream Glow canopy bed, the Sweet Roses side table and vanity. Then in the middle section, I have a sewing and craft area with the Sweet Roses dining room set in the middle for storage. And then down here in the kitchen, I have my vintage 80s kitchen set. And it's a little bit hard to see, but I have the Sweet Roses dining room table where the garage used to be in this dream house. So let me know what you think. And there's my cat Willie. Let me know what you think of these 2 sections so far, and check out Crafts by GZ on YouTube for more in-depth video of these rooms and what I did to them, especially putting in all the windows. All right, guys, see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.